Introducing the indoor stationary bike by Go Plus Fitness. Get toned and fit in the luxury of your own home. This Go Plus bike's sleek design and sturdy frame allows for a great workout with a weight capacity of 220 pounds. Features included are a 28-pound flywheel that offers a virtually silent-free workout, so anytime is perfect for training. The two-way adjustable seat along with the mono-shock seat system makes long workouts seem easy. Adjustable handlebars make for a perfect fit. An LCD display tracks time, speed, distance, heart rate, and calories burned. Rigid alloy closed-toed bike pedals for extra comfort. The tension control knob applies the proper resistance, which is also the emergency brake by pushing down. Unique handlebar design allows versatility between positions. Ergonomic EKG grips make it easy to keep track of your heart rate. High-quality front wheels for easy transportation. Durable construction, sleek design. Get toned and fit while increasing your stamina, metabolic rate, and cardiovascular conditioning. Many of the features found in more expensive bikes are present here on the Go Plus model at a fraction of the cost. Raise the bar to your workout with the Go Plus indoor stationary bike.